So ayan guys, grabe, sobrang saya, sobrang daming magandang nangyari. This is actually a winning moment. And ipapakita ko sa inyo, paano ba ito nangyari. Let's go back. If you want to win in life, you have to win every single day. And most people will say, you have to win your mornings. But for me, it's the evening before. It's the night before. Because if you are not prepared, if you don't have plans for the day, pagising mo ng umaga, magde-decide ka pa lang, mag-iisip ka pa lang. So what we are trying to do, pagising natin, malinis na yung plano. So ngayon, we are organizing the day because tomorrow will be a big day for me. So ayan guys, we are almost done with the morning ritual. So we started with meditation, workout, and right now I feel good about myself. That is why I'm gonna give myself a reward, which is Moringa coffee. And then we are reorganizing the day kasi nga, we are setting up to win. So ang babalikan natin, nagsimula tayo sa preparation. Actually, hindi na tayo natulog. Pero imagine, I don't have to decide, I don't have to plan because there's already a plan in place. All I have to do is to take action, kaya nagawa ko lahat ng dapat kong gawin early in the morning. So imagine, umaga pa lang panalo na tayo and I'm really excited for what will happen later. See you! Kung ano man yung mag-a-appear ngayon, ganun sila sa labas. So, a good way for you to monitor, one. And our objective is mag-heal sila. But understand na itong programang ginagawa natin ngayon, especially sa WeLead, one of the most important leadership facilities para sa 100 millionaires. So, we take this seriously. We are here to find the truth and what will work. Especially ngayon na ang ganda na ng structure, solid na tayo, may mga results na tayo. So, we are now focused on sustainability, tapos pasahan na ng leadership. Kasi kailangan natin makaalis sa level 2, level 3, level 4. Ito yung facility natin to create leaders. Right now. Who among you here, alam mo mali mo, alam mo yung tama mo. And yet, the main reason why you are doubting yourself, hindi mo ginagawa yung alam mong tama. You are not trying to carry yung alam mong tama. Simply because what? We don't want this. Lesson number 1. Lesson number 1. Nakakapagod ang responsibility. It drains your willpower. It is tiring. It is challenging. So nakaka-relate, ang bigat ng responsibility. Sometimes we are expecting the people around us to take responsibility. But there's the catch. Alam mo to, nagagawa mo to, bakit bigla kang natakot? Kasi ito nakakatawa. Ito nakakatawa sa ating mga tao. Kahit galit ka sa isang tao, kung hindi mo kayang gumawa ng mali, kanina mo gagawin yung mali? Sa sarili mo. So this will be transformed into what? Self-doubt. Nakamaskara siya na self-doubt. Akala mo self-doubt siya, akala mo resistance lang siya, pero in reality, sinasabotahe mo na yung sarili mo kasi alam mong kaya mo. It's the combination of self-doubt, kaya mo yung responsibility, pero kinukonvince mo yung sarili mo na di ko kaya ata eh. So gagawa ka ngayon ng kwento, ng storya, ng sitwasyon para mapatunayan mo sa sarili mong hindi mo kaya. Pero in reality, kaya mo. Nakarating ka eh. Nilaban mo eh. Are you with me? Nalit ka lang ng 5 minutes eh. Konti lang yun eh. Konti lang yun. Kasi kung nagtagal ka doon, for sure, ilang oras yung tinagal mo eh. Hindi 5 minutes eh. So if you were like 10 minutes earlier, nakarating ka eh. So ayan guys, kakatapos lang ng mga process natin.
the intro for the Willie reunion, and sobrang nakaka-progress. Share ko lang sa inyo, Willie was actually a breakthrough for me as a facilitator kasi I've been doing a lot of coaching, a lot of mentoring, and na-invento, nag-start si Willie program back when I was depressed. Matanda ko nung matanda seminar, Tony Robbins, Destiny, UBW, Unleash the Power Within, and I was able to duplicate that. Pinagsama ko siya, ginawa ko siyang Willie program. Worldwide Entrepreneurs, Leadership Excellence Achievement and Development. And marami kasing meditation doon sa Willie. We tend to imagine a lot of things. Ulit-ulit, ini-imagine namin na dadating yung time, magkakaroon kami ng resort. Tapos, yung mga mini-mentor ko, yung mga leaders na hawak ko, commute, walang kotse. Lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila na magkakaroon kayo ng sarili ng kotse. Dadating yung time, nandito tayo sa third floor ng resort. Tapos, tatanawin natin sa baba, sa parking lot. Doon yung mga kotse nyo. Ngayon nangyayari na, guys. Exactly kung ano yung in-imagine. Exactly kung ano yung inisip. Kaya nga, sinishare ko sa inyo guys kasi when you take massive action, when you follow a certain structure, makukuha nyo yung goals. So, I'm super happy and grateful right now. Ito yung bunga pag nilabanan mo yung resistance. Ito yung bunga kapag dire-diretso ka. Ito yung bunga kapag nagtuloy-tuloy. So, for now, we have a short break and we're gonna take a lot of videos pa. So, update ko kayo mamaya. See you later.
That moment, naalala ko yung Willie. What if it is my time to give love sa parents ko?
Kagabi pinag-uusapan namin sa veranda ni Sir NJ na of all resorts here, mukha pa lang sa labas, panalo-panalo ang Dear Sylvie.
So dati, this scene alam naman natin dating pinapangarap, diba? Dating ini-imagine yung resort, third floor, pagsilip sa baba, ayan na yung kotse. So right now, I'm gonna share this toast as celebration. But more importantly, I'm gonna share this toast para sa 100 millionaires. Salud. 100 millionaires! Yes! Cheers. I think they're excited to move forward. The purpose now is to impose goals and dreams. So what we're gonna do for the setup, ano tayo, parang film showing. So lahat nakaharap dito. So as much as possible, less yung tao doon, more on nandito. Ganyan. So nakaharap, classroom type dito. Papakita lang natin yung SDE. Tapos after baliwan, magpapapriming ako sa huli. So ang trabaho nyo ngayon, yung sa lights, kabisaduhin yung patay lahat at kaya yung buksan bigla. Tapos papatay ulit. Huwag nang patay buhay. Step patay talaga. Ito lang ang bukas yung blue sa kanila. So that's what will happen. So pagpasok, film showing, tapos baliw na lang ako, mababaliw. After that, usapang pangarap, usapang goals. Tapos pag short breaking ko, kasi baka maihi sa meditation. So, papaihiin ko lang ng mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Water break, short break, balik. Tapos ayusin na natin yung room sa gusto natin. So, mabilis na setup siya. Okay tayo, guys? Yes. Okay tayo. So, again, we are receiving all the blessings. Now is the centers, 100 millionaires in God's name! Yeah! Yes! Let's go! And guys, I'm super happy and grateful right now because this is a winning day for us, for me, and of course, super happy and grateful then to be able to share with you how my day looks like. And of course, marami pang mangyayari mamaya. Sobrang busy na tong araw na to, and maaga pa yung gising namin. Pero I have to focus on what's happening right now kasi I have to handle my leaders and team. This is not yet the busiest day, pero at least you have an idea ano ang ibig sabihin ng hard work kay MJ Lopez. So if you like this video, and I'm sure that you do, subscribe, share, like, comment, and we will appreciate all the engagement that you will give us. Yun lang guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of the vlog, and always remember that everything good starts with us. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon.